Alright guys, this video is on Powerteam Lures contest. Me and Philly Bassin are teaming up together to hold contests each month. This month, me and him are both holding one, so I'll leave his channel in the subscription down below so you can go check it out and subscribe to him, so you'll have 2 chances to win. We're only doing it for this month only, and then after that, me and him will be switching on and off. So next month, it'll just be me holding the contest instead of him, or something like that. This contest will run to the end of, or to the 20th of this month, so it'll give you 2 weeks. And the winner will get to choose 3 packs of baits, any kind he wants from Powerteam Lures, and any color you want too. So 3 packs of baits of your choice, and your 3 colors you pick. All you have to do is subscribe to me, subscribe to Powerteam Lures, like this video, and on one of Powerteam Lures videos on their channel, just leave a general comment on the video saying something about it. Pretty simple. Then also to be entered in Philly Bassin's, just head over to his channel, watch his video, and just follow what he says. Easy stuff, guys. So again, me and him will both hold one this month, and then after that we'll be switching on and off. And you also got Tackle Junkie 81 and Sonny, or Team Rippin' Lips. They're pairing up together also. So you guys have an awesome chance to win some killer baits from PTL. So hopefully that makes everything clear. I'll leave the rules down below so you guys can look at it better. But pretty easy stuff. And make sure you go check out Philly Bassin too, my partner, since he'll be holding the contest this month also. So you guys will be able to win some good baits from me and him, and Tackle Junkie and Team Rippin' Lips also. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this contest. And good luck, everyone.